Hey friends, welcome to Code Like Griffinto. I am super excited to have you all here. If you are passionate about coding, then you are on the right channel. This channel is all about one thing: learning how to code professionally and practically. Not just making your code run, but writing clean production level code that you'll actually use in real jobs and real projects. In most tutorials, we are only taught how to make things work, but no one really teaches us how to make it right. How to write code that's clean, readable, and scalable. As software engineer, learning to write production level code is essential. Most companies value developers who know how to write code that works well in real world systems. And that's where this channel comes in. Code Like Griffinto bridges that gap. Helps you go from just coding to think like a real developer. So what is the main goal? It's simple. To help you build professional coding habits. The kind that real developers follow in actual software teams. There are many things which you can learn, like structure code like a pro, follow clean coding principles, organize folders in smart way, write reusable functions and components, think about performance, security and scalability of your code, and most importantly, collaborate like a real dev team member. So, you are wondering what kind of videos you will see here. It's simple. The best practice tutorials in JavaScript, Python and many other production level languages. Full project walkthroughs, build the production way. Tips on tools like Git, VS Code, Postman and other developing tools. Code review and cleanup sessions. Common mistakes to avoid when building real world apps. Occasionally interview prep, career tips and portfolio advices. Everything here is simple, practical and focused on building real world skills, not just preparing exams or finishing tutorials. Many of you think, why does it matter? Because writing code is easy. But writing clean, maintainable, professional code, that's what makes you stand out from others. Here's the truth. If you want to work on serious projects, whether it's a startup, freelancer gig, or tech jobs, clean code isn't optional, it's required. This channel will help you build that mindset to grow into a developer who's not just good, but reliable, efficient, and team ready. So if you are ready to take that step, subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon so you never miss any update, and join Griffinto community. Let's learn, build and code like Griffinto together. Thanks for watching and welcome aboard.